Good evening and welcome to Gustav Making Stuff. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, plastic cup people, and silicone brush people, and welcome to Gustav Making Stuff, where we are going to do zombies again. We did that several years ago, but it's time to do some more again, with a little bit of a tweaking different. What you need is a head. What you need is a head, tape, glue, linen, and paint and other stuff, like a plastic hose. So let's get going. So we're starting here by taking this plastic bag and absolutely choking the shit out of this mannequin head here. He will probably not survive if he was also a real human, but enough about that. You see, here now I'm going to stretch over a pantyhose there, and we are going to do a little bit of cuts here, so some of the rotting has opened up some cavities around the eyes and the mouth and stuff like that. So here I'm now going to take a little bit of a mold here from teeth from a Halloween mask, which is very good to do. I have done this several years ago for you who don't have seen that video, but anyway, so this is a little bit of a recap of that, but with some few improvement. But you see, I'm gluing the whole thing back here, and actually the more flesh you do around the teeth and stuff like that, the more stiff it will be, and that will be actually better to have on you wearing it. So now we are going to latex this pantyhose here, not in the eyes and stuff like that, so this will be like the skin here. We also have the other tape head here, which I also mounted multiple times. I will leave a little bit of a link to that. Also put that with there. Now we are going to paint some black paint here, and also making the teeth whiter with some red around, so it will look flashy. You can also make it grey, depends on what kind of zombie you make. And now I have a little bit of a wash here, so it will be a little bit of a yellowish, dryish, mummification-ish. It's kind of having the look of this terrible zombie makeups from early Italian zombie movies, which are indeed fantastic pieces of art. Now I have just a little bit of a linen here, and I take the glue gun and I actually take them and I pull them a little bit and then cut them to size, so it will have nice eyebrows. This is a yaw, you know, I printed this with a 3D printer, which I tested, so you can also use another Halloween your thing will be very, very fantastic. And I also have a robotic eye here, because these are synthetically dead zombies. This is a little thing I've been working on regarding zombies. Anyway, so now you see I'm using the glue gun here to make the nostrils here, and also cutting off a little bit of a decayed hole here for the... They're a little bit mummy-ish, these zombies. But then again, zombies also need to look differently, because if you make all the zombies look exactly the same in all movies, they will be very hard to distinguish from one another. So that's why I'm doing this more mummy stylish movies for this little thing here. So now you see I'm putting a little bit of... Oh, now we take the hole punch here to make the upper lip and the teeth, they look like they have been removed, and also the flesh has like rotting in a bit around it, because they are a bit nasty like that. And now we're gonna take the glue gun and make a little bit of a flesh around that also. So also you see I'm using the side of the glue gun as kind of a scraper to, you know, make it more even around. So now it has drawn out. You can just use your thumb to rip up the latex, so it will look like skin that has starts to, you know, disappear from the face. So now we're just gonna do that rubbing thing there, and now we're going to take some little bit of a wash here onto it, so they will pop out a little bit better. And also wiping that off like that, and now I'm just going to cover the whole thing so it looks more like the other one. So we take more brown there, and we have some red also, and a little bit of a grey here inside the teeth, so they will look more elderly and horrible. And now also some black to make it also stand out, so it's like a little black skin flesh, necrotic bacteria things, and other horrible things that can happen to your body when you are decaying. So now I'm just gonna put a little bit of a extra touch here onto the little bit of a robotic eye here due to this synthetically alive zombies. Now I have a little bit of a technology to keep them alive. And also I'm going to do a little bit of an eyebrow here and also a little bit of a beard. It adds a little bit extra to them with some hair things there. That is indeed fantastic. And you see I'm just cutting it off here. And also flattening it out and pushing it out so it actually disappears from looking like it has just been glued on. Now you see here I'm doing the whole thing here onto painted eyebrows here, and that will even look even better. This is my friend Jesper here, his face mask that I made several years ago. We have used this many times, but it will be used once again. This piece will probably never be retired if I am still making stuff. So now you see also the beard here. Now Jesper has a big manly man beard at the moment, so he looks like a proper metal person, and also a little bit of hair on the head there. So now you see them here, and now we're going to do a little bit extra touch here, but actually taking some fake blood and spraying it in the face there. It will make it look a little bit extra fantastic, and also a little bit of around the mouth, so they will look a little bit gory, you know, as we like them when we watch zombies. They're never pleasant. And here you have two kind of very interesting looking zombie faces for this time. And thank you for watching. I hope you find that interesting, this little episode. Thank you for watching.